Hello, 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 people of the world! Tara, subukan naman natin gumawa ng level up na kape. Inspired by one of your favorite coffee shop. Seasonal ito sa kanila, so normally during fall season nila ito in-offer. Pero syempre, dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, dalawang weather lang naman ang meron. And ang fall season is considered rainy season. Kasi nga, rainfall. Eme! Well, by the way, complete ingredients nasa description down below. And another reason why I want to make this drink, na-share din kasi ito ng isa sa mga purchasing assistant ng customer namin from US of A. And on set of conversation, I need to establish rapport kasi nga I can feel na medyo inaantok na siya on the other line. So, tinanong ko siya, how was your morning? Ganon. Tapos sinagot niya ako na, oh, I just had my favorite coffee. So, syempre for the asking person, what is your favorite flavor of coffee then? At ito na nga ang sinabi niya. Ang favorite niya daw is pumpkin spice latte. So, hindi ko pa siya natitikman and na-curious ako kung ano ba yung lasa nito. And syempre, hindi ko pa siya na-try sa actual na coffee shop. And eto nga, nag-search ako, nag-google ko online, tinignan ko kung paano na ginagawa na I'm trying to try my own version. So, yes, tara, let's do this!